how to use Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you want to use Telegram but you don't have a phone number. First thing I want to clear is that you can't use Telegram without a phone number. Whatever the case, you can't use with email, you can't use with other things, you will need a phone number, but doesn't mean you can't create Telegram account, because you cannot create a phone number, you cannot create a Telegram account with a phone without a phone number. But what you can actually do is you can actually create it using a virtual phone number. So if you don't have a, let's say, a real phone number, in this case you can always create a Telegram account using a virtual phone number that are available online. Most of them are also completely legal and completely free services, so I'm not going to discuss that in depth for this particular video because that is a whole another process. I'll make sure to drop a few links in the description box if you like it, so you can check out those websites which will give you a free phone number with the verification code, and you can use that for Telegram instead. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.